Hello everyone, I am Ankit Kharbanda from Roblet Classes. While promoting for our upcoming courses, that is Skill Enhancement Program, we encounter a few doubts from the parents. These were like, students of which age group can enroll for these courses? How are these courses going to benefit our child? Will the sessions be interactive or recorded? And so on. Before giving the answers to such questions, I would like to tell you something about our upcoming program. On the successful run of our previous program, we are now starting our second skill enhancement program from 8th of August 2020. The first question arises in your mind is absolutely correct. How is your child going to attend these sessions during this quarantine? Not a problem. Check out our mobile application available on the Google Play Store named as SJK Tutorial. You can download it for free with a good educational stuff in that. Just go and check out. So, all our sessions will be given on this mobile application, and the good news is the sessions will be interactive and not the recorded one. So, there will be live sessions we will be taking for these courses with an extra benefit of auto-recorded sessions. That simply means you can have access to the same session after it gets over. That is, the session gets recorded automatically in the application. Just in case you forgot something from the session or want to repeat the activities, go and check the recorded session without waiting for your instructor to revert back. Isn't it good? Yeah. Now comes the point, which age group of students can enroll for these courses? So, the answer is 11 years or older. Not restricting to that, even if your child is younger and capable of doing the activities, contact us on our number given in the description. We will help you out with that. But one thing for sure, the courses are only for the school students, so for undergrads, postgrads or anybody else, it's a humble request not to enroll for this particular program. Next question is about the benefits of these courses, for which I would like to discuss each course one by one because they have their own challenges and opportunities in industrial aspects. Starting from our first course, that is 3D modeling and designing. This is one of the interesting course to kickstart in the sectors of animation, hardware designing and many more. The software being taught in this particular course is very basic and your child can grasp the concept very easily. Your child wants to live in the world of his imagination, and we are providing a platform serving as the medium to display his imagination to others. In simple words, it would become very simple for him to demonstrate his dream world in the form of 3D models. And when we talk about the opportunities, the demand of 3D designers in the CAD industry is now growing rapidly, thanks to the increasing need of 3D modeling among designers that give designers plenty of room to get creative compared to crafting 2D designs. Simply, it can be said that 3D modeling is creating the jobs of future in almost every industry. If you still want to know more about this course, the link is given in the description. The second course we are offering in this program is Embedded System Programming. Almost 8 out of 10 parents today know about the programming or coding. It's totally fine if you are on the other side. The point is, how is it beneficial for your child to learn this skill? Like 3D modeling, this is another skill set creating jobs for future because it is expected that in the near future almost every task or job is performed by the automatic bots or say robots. So, irrespective of the need of the bot operators, there will be more demand of bot developers. During this course, the fundamentals of programming language will be taught to the students, which will enhance their logical ability. To know more about the overview of this course, you can follow the link given in the description. Our third course of photo designing and editing depends on the level of interest one has. Your search has come to an end if you wanted some creative platform for your child who is already following his interest in art and drawing. This is simply an advanced version of creating art. Earlier, it used to be on canvas and now on the softwares. You must have seen attractive posters, graphics just like us, That's all done by the creative designers called graphics designers. All they do is simply attract the audience with their creative skills. A team in every company needs such artists, not of canvas but of software. Artists who can make creative designs of the posters, logos, hoardings, banners, and much more. Not only this, but almost every good mobile application and websites are pre-designed by these artists first and then brought to development. This is all where there is a need of such creative people, and your child can be one of them. Any other aspect of this course, if you want to know, you can check the link given in the description. The last and the more technical course of this program is PCB designing. To opt for this course, one should be sure about his level of interest in electronics. You can consider this course to dive deep into the world of electronics. Though, we'll definitely start from very basics of this sector, like what is a PCB, and we'll try to reach beyond your expectations. Without any doubt, you would definitely like to know more about this course, so I may tell you, if you want to develop your own electronic gadget, then this is the essential tool you must have. The question here is, how can this course be beneficial for a teen, or what would be the scope of teaching this to the young child? So the answer is, we will start with a very basic circuit like designing a simple LED blinking circuit or beeping a buzzer, and can reach to advancement like designing your own LED indicators for your bicycle. If in any way you want to know more about this course, you can follow the link given in the description. We believe many of your questions have already been sorted in this video. To know more about this program, do watch our other videos where we have briefed about each course, including the duration, activities in the course, and much more. If you haven't registered your child for any of these courses, I believe now is the time. If you want the updates of our courses and training videos, subscribe our channel and follow us on the social media. Find the link in the description. Thank you.